Hello. This video will show you how to add video and audio to your website. It is as simple as adding images. That's good news because the popularity and importance of video continue to grow. And the potential for audio to enhance your site becomes truly practical. Firstly, for inserting video hosted with a third party, as a rule of thumb, you don't want to put video files on your hosting account. They'll slow down your site, and potentially overload your server if you get any kind of traffic to them. So, what do you do? For most of us, the obvious answer is YouTube, where accounts are free. You can store and serve hundreds, even thousands of videos. Also, public videos get exposure through the YouTube search engine. There are other scenarios and other solutions, but let's use YouTube as an example so that you can see how simple the process of embedding external video is. I copied the URL for the video from my browser address bar. I started a new line in my content editor and pasted in the URL. And again, it must be on a line by itself in the content editor. That's all there is to it. The same will work for videos on Vimeo, Blip, Animoto and several other sites. Be sure to copy the full URL of the video, including the http:// or WordPress won't recognize it properly. Remember the insert from the URL screen of the media uploader. If you paste the URL of a video file into that screen, WordPress can tell you if it's going to work, by displaying the video in a player there in the uploader window. Then, it's just a matter of clicking Insert into Post, and the video player will show to your visitors. You can also insert videos you've uploaded to WordPress. This can be done one of two ways. The first is to get the complete file URL from the media library, and paste it onto its own line in the content editor, just like I did with the YouTube link. Make sure you're in visual mode. Like a YouTube video, a player will appear and visitors can watch your video in the body of the content. The second way is to use the Add Media button, and either upload the video or choose it from the media library, then click Insert into Post. Again, you get a video player in your content. Although the result appears to be the same, there is an important advantage to adding the video through the Add Media button. You can edit the playing parameters of the video through the Video Details window. You can think of this as the Video Player Details window, because the settings control how visitors will see and interact with the file, such as, put in a lower resolution video for mobile users, remove existing or select a new poster image, choose whether to preload video, featured image, or none, choose whether the file should autoplay, and choose whether the file should loop. Add subtitles, chapters, or other metadata. You can see now why using the Add Media button for video makes the most sense. What you can do on the Edit Media screen is add a caption and description for use on the file's attachment page, and you can also assign the video a featured image. For video files you upload to WordPress, you can set a featured image. Go into Edit the video file, select Poster Image. The featured image displays in the video player that visitors see. In the Media Library grid view, the featured image is shown instead of a generic video icon. After you upload some video, creating a playlist is almost exactly like making an image gallery. You click the videos you want to show on the list, and then click the blue Create a Video Playlist button. Like a gallery, you're then taken to an edit screen where you can order the videos, change the titles or delete files. The big difference is in the settings. There are no columns to choose and no link to function. Instead, you choose between showing the list of videos, showing an image for each video, or both. By default, the title displayed in the video list is the file name, but you can change it to whatever you want in the Create or Edit Gallery screens. They look like the caption settings for image galleries. Secondly, audio files are handled in almost exactly the same way as video files. You can drop the URL for an MP3 file directly into the content editor, and it will produce an audio player. You can create audio playlists. Auto-embedding from some third-party music and audio sites also works. And you can use featured images with audio files. However, there are some differences. The featured image shows up for visitors only on an audio playlist, not on an individual player. Typically, the featured image for music would be the album cover, but for other types of audio, you could have a photo of the speaker or create an image representative of the content and the topic of the audio. The colors of buttons on the default audio player may get picked up from your theme, so they'll match your site colors automatically. You could do more with CSS styling, or there are plugins to provide fancier player interfaces. I finished here the video. If you find it useful, subscribe for motivating us in creating more video. Thanks and see you soon in the next videos.